The mantra will deliver us. This trembling, this vibration, this wave of the Mahamantra will deliver us from all this trembling, all this anxiety, and bring us to the land of love. Vrindavan is the land of love. And the entrance there is simply vibration. It is a vibration. Krishna plays the flute, Radharani plays the veena. The mixture, these two sounds mix together and produce a beautiful melody, a beautiful rag, Prem rag. The blending of Radha's veena and Krishna's vamshi. Veena and vamshi blend together, a murali, and Radharani's veena. So we are meant to blend our vibration with the vibration of God. This is prema. Prema is a mixing of vibrations. Love is a mixing of vibrations. And this is the ultimate expression of divine love, is to surrender to Krishna and to love Him. So love personified came into this world on this very day. Krishna came to understand what is love, the three features of Radharani's love. He tasted it. He says swadya. He says swadya adbhuta madhurima. That adbhuta, your madhurima, the sweetness of my lover is adbhut. What does adbhut mean? Adbhut is amazing. So Krishna, Radharani is like that. So he came to swad, to taste that. Krishna, Bhagavan, tasted the sweetness of Radharani's love. He understood her pranaya, Radha pranaya mahima. He understood the glories. By becoming Radharani, he could understand the glories. Husband only understand the wife if he becomes the wife, and vice versa. Now he's understood her glories, he's tasting the sweetness, and then in his sokyam, he says, I want to sokyam mad anubhav. I want to experience that happiness that you're experiencing. So now Krishna is experiencing Radharani's happiness in the form of Gauranga. And is he selfish? Is he keeping it all to himself? Is he getting the whole birthday cake and going in his room and eating it all himself? He's relishing all that happiness. He understands all the glories of Radharani's love. And he's swad. He's rasa swad. He's called rasa swad, Rasaraj, Sri Krishna. He's tasting that ras. He's that madhurya ras. That parakya bhav of Radharani. He's relishing, Krishna's directly relishing it because he's assumed the heart of Radharani and the form of Radharani, the kanti and bhav of Radharani. He's taken Radharani's heart now from the vantage point of Radharani's own heart, directly inside. You can't enter your wife's heart, it's impossible, you can only imagine. But Krishna has entered right inside of Radharani's heart. And from that vantage point, right inside Radharani's heart, Krishna is tasting, swad, tasting Radharani's love, the sweetness of her love. And experiencing the happiness she's experiencing by serving Krishna. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is serving Krishna by glorifying Krishna's name. Everywhere Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Hari, 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 Hari. Krishna, 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 hey. This is the name of Radharani's lover. Hari and Krishna. Krishna wasn't chanting Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. No. Because he wanted to understand what happiness Radharani experiences and what anubhavs Radharani experiences, happiness and anubhavs she experiences when she's serving me. Because Radharani was always chanting Hari Hari and Krishna Krishna and going into Mahabhav and displaying so many extraordinary ashtasattvic bhavs in her mind and body. Krishna was witnessing that. Such the Sudipta sattvic bhavs, fully inflamed, unlimitedly expressed ecstatic symptoms in the body and form of Radharani, Krishna was seeing. And Kunja, Brita Nikunja Lila. What is this? What ecstasy, what joy and happiness she's feeling by serving me. I must become Radharani. So now Krishna has become Radharani as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu on this very day and has experienced all this love and tasted and relished all this love. And then he says, now, I've realized it. I've experienced it directly from the heart point, from the heart place of Radharani. And am I going to keep it for myself? No. I am generous. I am Vadanaya. I am magnanimous. I'm going to give it to everybody. So everyone can receive the love and the heart of Radharani. Everyone can perceive the greatness of Radharani's love, Radha Pranaya Mahima. And we can experience the happiness that Radharani experiences by loving and serving Krishna as the ideal and perfect devotee. Those anubhavs, sokyam anubhavita. and we can actually we can taste that Radha Madhurima, that Madhurima. We can taste that Adbhuta Madhurima of Krishna, that sweetness of Krishna. Vallabhacharya glorifies Krishna's Madhurastakam. Lila Madhuram, Vadanam Madhuram, Venu Madhuram. Your face is sweet, Vadanam Madhuram, Lila Madhuram. Your lilas and pastimes are sweet. Venum Madhuram, your flute is sweet. Chalare Vadanam Madhuram, your walking is sweet. Shristi Madhuram, your creation. Everything is sweet about the Lord of sweetness. Vallabhacharya is proclaiming that in a famous song. You must have heard it. Madhuram, Madhuram, Madhuram. It's such a beautiful song. All of the great singers of India have sung it. Madhuradi pater akilam madhuram. Akila madhuri. Akila madhuri. Akilam madhuram means akila madhuri, unlimited sweetness. Swadyo madhurima. Adbhuta madhurima. So Krishna was tasting that. Radharani was tasting that sweetness of Krishna. Krishna became Radharani to taste his own sweetness. Now he's giving it to us. We can taste that sweetness of Krishna, that Krishna Madhuri. How? When? When? Right now. How? By chanting Hare Krishna. And this is how Radharani distributes her love to the world through the Mahamantra. And this is how Krishna distributes his love to the world through the Mahamantra. That is why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the most merciful descent of the Lord that has ever appeared in this world, giving what has never been given before. No avatar ever came before to this world. No descent of the Lord. All they ever came to give is mukti, Vaikuntha mukti. Go to Vaikuntha, Ram, Nrsinga, Dasavatar, Vishnu, Narayan, Ram. Any kind of mukti they would give to their bhaktas. Go to Ayodhya Dham. Enter into Dasya Ras. Experience Dasya Bhav, Dasya Rati. Bas. Radha and Krishna came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to give Madhurarati, Madhurya Bhav, the topmost experience of conjugal delight and union with God through devotional service. This has never before been given. This is a unique contribution of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So we're celebrating that day today. Hare Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki Jai.